You're searching for how to buy shares of Coca-Cola Consolidated Inc. Coca-Cola Consolidated is an independent beverage bottler listed on NASDAQ under the ticker Coke. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. We will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker Coke to find the listing. Confirm you have located the Coca-Cola Consolidated Inc. stock in the NASDAQ listings. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for Coke. Double-check the company name, exchange, and ticker to confirm this is the correct asset. Click the Invest or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order will be queued and executed when the market reopens, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before final confirmation. Once the order is executed, your Coke position will appear in your portfolio. For more details and the example link, check the description below.